Hi, my name is Jaden. I'm from the Dreame, the Collie Stick Vacuum team. Now I will show some new technologies and our innovations for our product. The first one is the TangleCut technology. I will start the demo. You can see there are the 2-layer braiders here, and it will be much more easier to cutting the long hair into small pieces. This is the long hair.
Yeah. What's gonna happen?
Yeah.
So it's cutting
You will
it?
see, yeah, the long hairs will be cutting into the small pieces.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna get stuck, it's gonna just come all out.
Yeah. It will not be, the long hairs will not be wrapped in the soft
It will not
roller.
stay there and you need to clean it all the time?
Yeah, it will be stuck in the dust cup.
I don't have long hair problem. But maybe other people, I'm joking.
Yeah.
So this is great. This is, nobody else can do this?
Yeah.
You're the first company in the world to do this technology? It's your invention?
Yeah, this is our innovation.
Can we see some of the products you're showing here?
Second one is the premium product, the V30.
Premium?
Yeah.
Why is premium?
Not only they have the most powerful suction, the 330, but also they have the 2 brushes. The first one is this brush. This brush is the OmniX version 2, specialized for the deep pile carpet. I will show the work. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you will see there are the indicator here.
Yeah?
Yeah, in the middle, it will be suited for the hard floor. When you move to the carpet, yeah.
What does it change, something?
Yeah, long pile, it will tend to the right. Much more easier to deep clean for the long pile carpet.
Nice.
Yeah. And you can also do 4 stages extension and
under.
Yeah.
Cool. It's a nice angle.
Yeah.
Can you show some of the other products you have here?
Yeah. Second here, this is the station series. It means we also have the stick, but also have the auto-empty station.
What does it empty into?
Yeah.
It goes into a bag?
Go to the dust bag.
Is it a special bag?
Yes, special bag. And it can last 19 days for the dust and large particles. It means the user don't need to throw up the dust cup every time. You can just use the stick and drop it off, and it will automatically
So it's
auto-cleaning.
empty and charge.
Yeah.
And 3-liter dust bag. How much for the bags?
3 liter.
But how much it costs to get those bags? It's very special, only for your brand.
For the dust bag.
Yeah.
Maybe less than $1.
All right. And then you have enough for 90 days.
90 days. Yeah.
3 months.
Yeah, 3 months.
Nice.
Yeah. And we also integrated the accessory inside the station.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
I want to have one of those.
Yeah.
Can you show how powerful it is, how good it is?
Yeah.
How's it compare with Dyson? How you compare with Dyson?
Okay. Yeah.
You know the English brand. Do you think you are the best?
Yes.
Best in the world?
Because until now, Dyson don't have the stick vacuum with the station. It means every time when you using the Collie stick vacuum, you will need to clean your dust cup for every time.
So this is the first time in the world this exists. Never
Yeah.
exists before?
Yes.
People have been waiting for this for thousands
Yeah.
of years,
Yes.
and finally it's there.
Yeah. And,
Nice.
and all of them are the station series. And the last part is the combo.
It's a combo, you
Yes,
say?
the combo. The combo of sleek vacuum with the wet and dry vacuum. We have the two brush. This one is the wet cleaning brush for the wet cleaning, and this one is the brush for the hard floor.
So you can do wet cleaning and dust
Yes.
with one product.
Yeah.
Wow, and how good does it clean the wet part?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. And it is more flexible.
Oh, sorry. This, my wife is gonna be very happy if I could get one of those and clean the house nice. Yeah, so wet, and then how do you change it to the dust? Just take it out.
And if you need to clean the you can just go into
back?
the vacuum and just we have the
Connect.
button for the
Push the button.
self-cleaning.
Oh, it's self-cleaning.
Yeah, self-cleaning.
Where does the water go?
Self-cleaning, the dirty will dip into the dirty tank.
It will go to the tank.
Yeah, go to the
Where's the tank?
yeah. You can see it. Yeah,
There's a tank. You just go and
Yeah.
empty it.
this is the dirty water, and this is the
Clean.
clean. Yeah.
Wow. Some Airbnbs are gonna be really
Yes,
happy
and
with
if
this.
you change the brush, yeah,
Nice.
yeah, do the
Wow. What's the price? Is
until
that
now
price already?
Yeah, no,
Not yet.
not yet. Yeah,
How soon is available?
maybe in the second half of this year.
And how about this one? How soon is available? The self-empty.
For this one. Now we are considering to launch this product in the US market.
How about Europe? I want it in Europe.
Yeah.
We also need the clean. And the V30 is already in the market.
V30 has already launched in the European market last year.
All right.
装一下。
So, how big is Dreame and the hands-free, the what's cordless vacuum market? Are you
We-
one of the top 10, top 5?
Top 5.
Top
and
five.
Last year, our revenue is approximately the 2 billion RMB.
Nice.
Yeah.
And this is growing.
It's
Growing
growing
business.
Yeah, growing business. Yeah.